Hello guys, I'm Jay Kumar. In this video, we're going to see about automation testing on web pages using Selenium. First, we're going to see about objectives for the EOS System project. The objective of the experiment is to perform automation testing on a web page using Selenium framework on different browser using Java, Python, C. And description: a web page is to be exhaustively tested using different browser using Selenium framework. A web page is multiple form field like text box, radio buttons, drop down buttons, and hyperlink. Is created and uploaded in the web server. The content and the form fields in the web page is individually checked. Also, the client side validation performed using JavaScript is also be validated. The validation of is to be carried out by developing various test case for every individual web content. To this end, extensive software testing framework is required. Selenium is a free open source automating and testing framework that supports Java, Perl, and PHP, Python, and Ruby. Selenium WebDriver provides the functionality of conducting various test cases. Procedure: in server side, the loader load the designed web page to be tested in a server. In client side, download all the necessary Selenium package based on the host machine requirement, and download the corresponding power browser WebDriver to integrate the IDE and browser. Using the IDE, create a new Java or Python program. Import all required Selenium packages in the Java program. Using set property of provide the name and location of the browser's web driver. And a WebDriver class the instance of the browser is created and it is used to access the web page. The method navigate of to URL launches the website in the test browser. Every component in the web page is accessed by the method find element or under specific entity using the following: find element of by.id of identifier value. Find element of by.name name name and find element of by link test of link test. Find element of by dot class name of class name. Values are passed on the using method send keys of value. Inner HTML values are obtained by using the method get text of value from forms are obtained using the method get attribute of value. Browser events such as click, clear, back, forward, refresh, and close are performed using the method click of, clear of, back of, forward of, refresh of, quit of, respectively. Also, moving between windows and frames are performed using the method switch to off. In window of Windows name and switch to which switch to off dot window of Windows name and switch to off frame of frame name. JavaScript method is invoked by the method execute script of this class JavaScript executor. Next, we're going to see about the coding. First of all, importing a Selenium package so that Selenium.org of import.org of opera.selenium.by and import org dot openac Selenium dot in JavaScript executor and import openac Selenium dot WebDriver and import org dot openac and Selenium dot web element. Importing a Chrome package. Import org dot openac Selenium dot Chrome not Chrome driver and import org dot openac dot Selenium dot Chrome option and import com dot sun dot org of apache dot bcell dot internet dot generic dot select. Next, you are using a class name as Chrome and doing a public static void main of string dot offset. Next you're getting a path. Next you're getting a path of the Chrome driver. So that set system.set property of webdriver.chrome.driver of comma, and next is the path of my system in the web, where I have a Chrome driver. Next we next to Chrome option opt equal to new Chrome option of. Next to opt dot argument add argument of disable extension. Next to opt dot argument add argument of start maximized. Next driver equal to new Chrome driver opt. Next we launching the website, so driver.navigate.2 equal 2 of http uh, uh, localhost web.html. This will be the launching the website. Next I creating a test cases. So first cases I giving a title, so the system dot auto print of test case one content checking, and system string o1 equal to driver dot find element of by dot id of text text as white and text place in the center, and front font as a white bold and background is success, and getting a get text of. Just getting a this is the title of the registration form, also registration form. If o dot equals if o dot one, if o dot equals of the also registration form, if the case is satisfied, it will print a success, otherwise it will print fail. The same as for the test case 2 also. Next, you're going to giving a username in that registration form. So getting a username for the registration form. So this is that we're doing in test case 3. System.out print of test case 3 checking for null username. Then driver dot find element of by dot id user dot send key of. In system.out print of given input of the input for text box username. And this is for the username, getting username, and we'll ask please fill the, and if of o3 dot equals equal to please fill the username. If you fill the username, it will print a success, otherwise it will print a fail. Next we're getting a length of the username. So the length between the 2 and 20 have to be in the username. The username length must be between the 2 and 20. Otherwise it will, so that it will print a true. Otherwise it will print a false. Next we're going to see about password. Password in the getting password in the registration form. So that we're using in this test case 6. Same as that we see in the last by username. Next you're getting a password confirmation. So password confirmation. Next you're getting a mobile number. Next you're getting an email ID. Next you're getting a, after giving the email ID, we're going to give a on submit button. So give driver dot find element of by dot id of submit and click. Now we run the program. Now the web page is created. Now the title of the page is hostel registration form. The username, password, confirmation password, and mobile number and email ID. And we type here and you submit. And the test cases. And the result of the test cases is here. Test case 1 and test case 2 up to 15. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.